Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's hood-mounted high-lift jack mount for Jeep's 97 to 06 TJ Wrangler. Step 1. Remove any aftermarket accessories in the way of your hood hinges, and with a T40 Torx bit, remove and retain the 3 bolts from one hinge at a time. This will help retain the hood-to-body alignment. Step 2. The brackets are left and right side specific, and can be identified by our Piranha logo facing outboard. Place the respective bracket over the hinge and secure them with the 3 bolts that were previously removed. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 3. With the help of a friend, lift your jack onto the brackets and determine which rail holes you would like to use. With the included bolts, washers, lock washers, and wing nuts, secure the jack to the mounts through the rail. And you're done.